హిట్ టీవీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్స్ లో మీ వ్యాపార ప్రకటనలకు మరియు ప్రమోషనల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కోసం వెంటనే సంప్రదించండి.
Because of Santosham Cinema and cinema. So that's my biggest happiness. Kani ee roju today, because of them, I'm here in front of you, so I'm very happy. Thank you so much. I love the jewelry. It's very lightweight. It's very beautiful. Normally, what happens is when you buy jewelry, it's a funny story about my wedding. I wanted to be a South Indian bride. So everything was ready. I got my entire jewelry ready. For many years, my mother was collecting because I told her very early that I want to wear a sari. I want to be a South Indian bride. But this patti, Vadanam, we forgot. My mother is like, oh, but you never wear belt. I said, no, but that's the whole look. So a week was left, and then she suddenly ran and got me Vardhanam. So they got the whole Vardhanam ready. But here the jewelry, the small faces are they're chala clear. I don't know how do you do that. They're very clear.
Yeah,
So it's
that's what we are specialization for.
so it's a lot of hard work.
We are trying to find the artisans.
Important part for me, jewelry. I love jewelry with birds. I love only traditional Indian jewelry. I think I've hardly ever bought anything that's not Indian. Because they are like she said, our artisans are like so talented, but like sometimes you're like, okay, I need the jewelry, and you don't look at the hard work that's gone for thousands of years. So I'm really happy that they're trying to bring that out, because this one is just stunning. My mother is a Krishna Bhakt. It's beautiful that you can actually see Radha Krishna's face. And it's very clear. It's very, very clear. I should buy a Radha Krishna pendant from you. My mother is very
Sure,
happy.
definitely.
So yeah, thank you for having me here. I love buying jewelry. So every time I come, like today for me, it's like exploring different jewelry. I think every woman loves jewelry. Yeah, I saw, and they're very light. That's the
Speciality of this is Navratna bangle.
okay.
Yeah, you can find all 9 stones lying over.
So Showtime just dropped, like I think 1 month ago, 15 days ago. It's a show that I did with Karan Johar, produced it. So that's one. After that, I'm doing a film which Teja Sarja is there, so I'm doing that in Telugu. And I did a song in Surya's film in Tamil. So yeah, doing work and yeah. I know, what an amazing win. Very proud of him. He's always very quiet, centered, quietly sitting in the corner, very hardworking. He works really, really hard. Pavan Garu, one thing, he'll work very, very hard. He'll do like multiple retakes. And a lot of, like, once I was shooting for a song, he had a little injury also, but no one knew up until the song was over. I think that was Balu. But he's just an amazing soul, a very happy, good person. And he was last few years, every time I met him, he was very committed about doing something for the people. So it's great that people have chosen him. And I'm sure he'll do miracles.
Any cop roles in Tamil cinema?
I haven't done cop roles, no. Why do you want me to do cop roles?
Very powerful lady.
Thank you so much.
And coming to
What is your favorite collection, madam?
most your favorite one?
Favorite what?
Tollywood.
I call it Indian cinema. I don't call it Telugu. Then already you have done with Marcus. So is there any chance of Churu sir again? I would love to work with Churu sir again. I had some great conversations with him. I learned a lot from him. And so I would love to do something with Churu sir again. He's very inspiring for whoever. He's an amazing human being.
And what is the dream?
I think as a dream role, it would be to work with some really interesting directors, to get up in the morning and be very happy about the work that I'm doing, do a really good film, and yeah.
ఫైనల్లీ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు?
Chala thanks for all the love, for accepting me, for and the time of tolerating me, for all the love. I am very grateful, and I hope I continue to be part of your life and keep telling stories. Thank you.
So thank you Shreya ma'am for coming and inaugurating our store, which is located at KPHP road number 1. సో మన దగ్గర లగ్జరీ జ్యువెలరీ ఉంటుంది ఎట్ అఫోర్డబుల్ ప్రైజింగ్, ఓకేనా. మన దగ్గర ఇప్పుడు 5.99 స్టార్టింగ్ ఇనాగ్రల్ ఆఫర్ లాగా 5.99 VAతో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. గోల్డ్ మీద ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్ 21,000 మీద స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. మీకు బయట డైమండ్ ప్రైజెస్ తెలుసు, ఇక్కడైతే ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్ ప్రైజెస్ మనము 21,000 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర కలెక్షన్ వచ్చేసి గోల్డ్, ల్యాబ్ గ్రౌండ్ డైమండ్, సిల్వర్లో మనకు ఆర్టికల్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇట్లా ఫ్లవర్ స్పాట్స్, ప్లేట్స్, గ్లాసెస్, డిన్నర్ సెట్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో మీరు మీ ఫ్యామిలీస్ తోటి వచ్చి షాపింగ్ చేయాలని చెప్పి కోరుకుంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ చూస్తే ఎంగేజ్మెంట్ సెట్స్ ఎట్లా ఉంటాయో అట్లా ఉన్నాయి. సో మీకు ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ జ్యువెలరీ కావాలన్నా ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతుంది. ఇదే వెరైటీ ఉంటుందని లేదు. అక్కడ మీకు చూస్తే విక్టోరియన్ కలెక్షన్ ఉంది. సో అన్ని వెరైటీస్ ఇక్కడ దొరుకుతాయి.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్లాన్స్ ఏమన్నా నెక్స్ట్
సో ఇప్పుడు శ్రావణ మాసం కాబట్టి దీని మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాం మనము. అప్కమింగ్ స్టోర్స్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న మన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ బట్టి తర్వాత స్టోర్స్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చు. మాకు తెలిసి నెక్స్ట్ 1 year తర్వాత ఇంకో స్టోర్ డౌన్ ద లైన్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చు.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇందులో షార్ట్ న్యూస్, లైవ్ న్యూస్, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ మూవీస్ అన్ని అవైలబుల్ గా ఉన్నాయి.
Please download Hit TV app.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.